Boxing basics to make you look like a pro, even if you're a beginner. My name's Reggie. Let's go ahead and get into this with some warm-ups. First things first, we're just going to open our legs up like this. All right, we're going to do some squat downs. Okay, get our knees loose. All right, work on some turns. There you go. Get that back turning, because we're going to be doing a lot of this today with our workout, a lot of that cross work. Okay, I want you to take your hand and just kind of get loose. Get loose, get loose. Look at how I'm turning this hip with this foot turning a little bit. That's how we're gonna hit that cross. I'll look forward at you. Here, I'll show you how to get into this stance. Stand straight, 1 foot forward, get down a little bit, okay? There you go. With boxing, it's a lot about body movement and getting loose. Let's go ahead and do some knees to elbows. Okay, we're gonna twist these. It's important to loosen that back so that we don't hurt ourselves. Okay, you can also do some jumping jacks prior to getting going with this. It's a good way to get your arms loose. Okay, just a little bit of this movement. All right, now we're gonna move into some jumping jacks just for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it back. Want to get that upper body twisted. So just do some of these for about 10 seconds. Yeah. Guys, be very careful. If you haven't moved a lot in a while, you don't want to pull any muscles. Do some around the whirls here. Get the hip movement going. There you go. There you go. I'm going to show you how to do this without hurting yourself. I'm going to show you the basics of it. It's going to be jab, crosses, and hook combinations. I'm probably gonna throw an uppercut in there too. So since we're gonna do an uppercut, let's go ahead and just get used to some side steps. Stretch this out here, step over here. We're gonna use this movement when we do our uppercuts, okay? You don't have to have weight to do this workout. I will add weight for myself. I can find my weights, I see them. I wouldn't go past 3 pounds because you risk ruining or messing up your shoulder. And you don't want to do that. Get back into some push-ups, some jumping jacks for about 10 seconds. The first combination is going to be a jab, jab, cross. If you're right-handed, you're going to get to this position right here, where you take your right hand, your right foot back. That's your right hand if you're right-handed. Whatever foot you're dominant with, take it back. Other foot go forward, okay? Jab, we're just going to pour that water out at the end, get that snap. And then we're gonna cross by turning it over our body. Okay? All right. Follow along. Jab, jab, cross. Jab, jab, cross. Jab, jab, cross. Jab, jab, cross. There you go. Make sure you get that movement where you're keeping your elbows in. You're turning your hips and your shoulders. Notice that when I jab, I'm pulling that right shoulder back. It keeps me bladed. Harder to hit, okay? Yeah, we're really learning the basics here. We're gonna make sure you guys have tight fundamentals. You know? Don't want you to look like you throwing spaghetti. 1, 2. 1, 2. We're gonna add a slip here. This is a slip, okay? Slip inside. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. Push-ups. Let's get it. There we go. 1, 2. If you need to make an alteration, you can do it on your knees. It's okay. 10 seconds. All right, we're gonna go into a 1, 2, 3, which is a jab, cross, hook. Look at my body. Jab, cross, hook. Elbow's gonna be here, and I hook. Hook. Jab, cross, hook. jab, cross, hook, jab, cross, hook, jab, cross, hook. I'll do it this way for you. Jab, cross, hook, jab, cross, hook. Look at that, jab. Come here with the cross. Snatch it back with that hook. Jab, cross, hook, jab, cross, hook, jab, cross, hook. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. That's the numbers. 1, 2, 3. Jab, cross, hook. If you want, you can switch other hands. Jab, cross, hook. Jab, cross, hook. Jab, cross, hook. If you want to do it fast, breathe out on your punches. All right, we're gonna go into sit up with punches. Like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Jab, cross. Jab, cross. Jab, cross. Jab, cross. Jab, cross. Nice. If you guys like it, subscribe. Come back and do some more. This is part of a bigger series to help you go from beginner to pro, shadow boxing. Here we're gonna do a cross, hook, cross, okay? Cross, hook, cross. Cross, hook, cross. Cross, hook, cross. Try to stay in the middle with your body. Cross, hook, cross. 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 So you guys here? Pretend somebody's in front of you. Cross, hook, cross. Watch that elbow. Yeah. We're gonna go into some squats here to get ready for our next hit. Take your time with squats. There you go. It's important, the older you get, take your time with these squats. Don't rush them. You'll hurt your knees. Hopefully you're feeling it in your thighs from the workouts we're doing, because we are getting low. That's kind of the point. All right, this is going to be a 1, 2, slip, 2. So essentially, jab, cross, slip, cross. Here we go. Jab, cross, slip, cross. Jab, cross, slip, cross. Jab, cross, slip, cross. Got it? Let's get it. Jab, cross, slip, cross. 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 Jab, cross, cross. Get that roll in there. It's like a J. Okay? After that last cross, jab, cross, slip, cross, roll. 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 That's 2 movements, y'all. Jab, cross, slip, cross, roll. Jab, cross, slip, cross, roll. Jab, cross, slip, cross, roll. All right. We're gonna get into what I like to call alternating lunges. If you can't do it, do a regular lunge like this, okay? But if you've seen people do it faster, I'm gonna show you in a second what the faster one looks like. So let's do these. Hands up. It's almost like skipping. Yeah. Let's do a side right here. Keep it up. All right, last round. We're gonna do uppercut, 3, 2. Pivot to the other leg, uppercut, 3, 2. I got my weights here. All right, here we go. Uppercut, hook, cross, switch it over. Uppercut, hook, cross, and back. Uppercut, hook, cross, uppercut, hook, cross. Step back a little bit. Uppercut, hook, cross. 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 All right, nice. We're gonna end this with some jump squats. If you can't jump, just squat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Oh yeah. You guys should feel this by now. This is a great calorie burner. Oh yes. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Here we go. Nice. Feel that burn, man. I love it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here. Do the workout again if you feel like you can. Come back tomorrow and the day after. Talk to you guys later. Like and subscribe. Peace.